Is anyone having any doubt regarding the assignment we have sent you regarding the website analysis? Any one of you? Yes, no, anything?
Yes, ma'am, I have doubt too. How to do that assignment? Can you show that me?
I have like the last class was fully dedicated to the same. I hope you must have attended the last class.
No, ma'am,
We
I not.
Okay, so like just you can do one thing. You can see the recorded videos over the portal, and if you have any doubts after that also, you can just like ping me or you can call me. I'll help you with that. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Anyone else? Please ask your doubts regarding the assignment now because like I see many of you don't understand the instructions in the assignment and then you do it incorrectly and then you have to do it again. So it is like wasting your time only. So that's why I'm asking you. So please ask right now if you have any doubts. And if not, please show me a thumbs up that everything is clear for the assignment so that we can move on like with today's session. Interns, am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
If I am audible, then I'm expecting some answers from you. Like, I just ask all of you that if everything is clear, can you show me a thumbs up? Like, was this a very difficult task for you all?
No. No, ma'am.
So, you can just like, you just have to show me a thumbs up on the screen, like digital thumbs up. Okay, so we will start with our today's session and I'll show you like how to do classified submissions. Basically, it is an off-page SEO activity. So I'll brief you about what exactly classified submission is. So classified submission is basically the process when you submit your advertisement or like list your products or services or even events like on classified websites. So there are particularly websites which are dedicated for like classified submissions. So those platforms basically allow users so that they can post their ads under a specific category. For example, we are offering services or we are into education sector, so that is our like specific category, and it helps us to reach our like targeted audience and who are interested in our offerings. So basically that is considered as a classified submissions. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen and I'll be showing you all like how to do classified submissions. I hope my screen is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for the responses. Okay, so you have to just go to Google and you have to search for classified submission sites. And then you just have to go to SEO endpoint. And here you will see a bunch of websites which have like a good DA and PA. And you have to like, I have already told you like which DA and PA you have to choose. So then I have like already opened like few websites. You just have to first open those websites, and then after like before that also, like before opening the websites, just go to chat GPT and like I have told you how to do keyword submissions, sorry, keyword research. So you must have known that now. So you just have to, I have already some keywords with me. So I'll just copy these keywords like, for example, whatever your project is. just choose any one dedicated page or any one. For example, if you have Prayug or if you have Student Earn, you can choose any of the course from these two. And for resume motion and for Vidyapur, it will be a journal related journals classified submission. Then I have choose like I have few keywords with me, and then I'll already I have given the command to chat GPT, like give a title and description for like I'm working for Student Earn for classified submission using these keywords. So I have already mentioned these keywords, that use these keywords. So it has given me the title and description. Now I'll go to the website. I'll just click on post an ad, that is free ad. So firstly, I have to select the category. So we don't have any option for education. So I'll go for services. Then I have to choose the subcategory. Then is training and education services. Then you have to just paste the zip code. Like for Gurgaon, it is this. So you have to like while adding the location, you have to add this location only, the like Stu Valley's location. Then you have to add the title over here. So I'll just copy it and paste it over here. And like it is asking for the price. And if you want to add the price, you can go ahead. And if you don't want to add it, like you can put it as zero as well. Like for instance, I'll be adding a random price for the course, and then just copy the description and just paste it over here. Now you have to hyperlink the any of the like keyword or any of the word you seems like to be very important. So I'll just copy it, sorry, hyperlink it. I'll go to the Student Earn website. I'll go to Mon and I just copied this link. And please note that you have to hyperlink any of the important keywords. So you have to focus on like the main focus was on Mon full stack code. So I have I that's why I hyperlinked it. So you have to focus on the main word or the main keyword, and then you have to hyperlink it. So I have hyperlinked it. Whenever someone clicks on this link, they will be redirected to the website. So you have to paste your name. So I have the name with me. So you don't have to add your name. You have to just add the business name. And I have already added the email. So you have to add the phone number here. One second. 14. So, and you have to choose like in how many months you want your ad to be expired. So I'll choose for the last one, that is 9 months. Now you have to add this code. Image is like optional if you want to add something like these are basically for the ones who have particularly dedicated images for any products. For example, if you are doing classified submission for any makeup products, then you have to add the picture of that product. But now we are selling the courses, so it's not compulsory for us to add the image. So you just have to click on this and check once if everything is fine or not. And then you have to just click on post this ad. So your ad is posted. You just have to go to the incognito mode and incognito tab, and you have to just paste the link over here, and you just have to check it. So this is my live link. As you can see, I'm able to see the ad over here, and you have to paste this link in your assignment, like in your Excel file. And please note, like whatever the format we are asking for you from you for the for the assignment, just do like, for example, if we are asking to submit the assignment in Excel file, then do it in Excel file only. Do not submit it in PDF. So I will send you the format. Like, you do have the format, you have to just post this live link in that format only. So I hope things are clear to you regarding the classified submission. I'll like if you are not able to, like, if you want to post another ad, you can do it from here. And like, we will go to the next website. Uh, I'll show you another example. So place an ad. So you have to choose, like, I'm offering a service, so I have to choose. I have to click on education. Then I have to select the country. So here is India, and then in India we are in Gurgaon. So click on next. So you have to just you can use this title, or you can like create different title also. I'll go for the different one. So I'll add the phone number. So you just have to copy the description. And images are optional. Like I already told you, like in which case you have to uh, mm, choose the images, or like upload the images. So click on publish. So I have to activate my ad, and now my ad is activated. So I'll go to my ads, and like I'll click on this. I'll check and I'll save the changes. So this is the live link for my ad. I have to just copy this link, and go to the new tab, and just you have to just check it. So yes, it is visible now. So that means it is a live link, and you have to paste it in the live links option. So this is how you have to do the classified submissions. I hope it is clear now. Interns, are you with me right now? Like, the is everything is clear? Classified submission. Any questions regarding classified submissions? Anything?
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
thank you, Parminder, for responding.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, which phone number I know need to use?
You can
Our
use
national or myself?
you can use the landline number which is present on the website. Okay.
Okay.
What about others? Other interns?
Yes, it's okay. You have understood.
Okay. I want responses from all of you. Like, is everything is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't want to ask individually, so please show me a thumbs up, or you can just unmute yourself and like answer to me. Like, is everything clear? Yes, yes.
मैम हम जिस वेबसाइट पे ऐड क्रिएट करेंगे
हाँ जी.
वो वेबसाइट उस ऐड को कहाँ कहाँ पे स्क्रीनिंग करेगा?
वो बेसिकली उन्हीं की मतलब जो भी हमारी ये बेसिकली क्लासिफाइड एड्स हैं, ये नॉर्मल वो ऐड नहीं है जो हम मतलब ऐड हम पोस्ट करते हैं, जो वैसे ऐड रन करते हैं। ये जस्ट एक क्लासिफाइड एड्स है, जैसे आप न्यूज़पेपर में भी क्लासिफाइड देखते हैं ना कि वहाँ पे कोई चीज आपके बाय या सेल के लिए आती है, ये उस टाइप की एड्स है। तो ये बेसिकली इन आपको इसी वेबसाइट पे दिखेगी।
तो मैम यहाँ से ज्यादा कस्टमर्स तो नहीं आ पाएंगे ना?
नहीं, इनका मतलब जो क्या होता है कि इनकी अच्छी वो होती है बेसिकली ट्रैफिक, तो यहाँ से आपको मिल जाएंगे कस्टमर।
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? Okay, so if you don't like have any other questions regarding this assignment, like this off-page activity, I like one thing more. You don't have like, have you started the assignment, the last assignment we gave you, like all of you? And I'll be very clear this time. So please submit it on time. We have given plenty of time to all of you to do that assignment. Okay, so please submit that, and we will be giving you an assignment regarding to classified submissions soon. So complete that also on time, and please note that your 75% attendance is compulsory, and your submission of assignments is very compulsory. Then only you will be given certificate for this internship, training and internship. So please keep that in mind.
यस मैम।
Okay, then I'll yeah, yeah. If everything is clear, we can wind up today's session here only. Okay. So I'll see you in the next session, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
बाय मैम।
Yeah. Have a nice day.